I will compare the new iPhone 16e with Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. iPhone 16e 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 6.4 inches dynamic AMOLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. iPhone 16e run on the S18 operating system. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE run on the Android 12 operating system. iPhone 16e it comes with 8GB RAM and 28GB to 56GB 512GB internal storage. Apple 18 processor and Apple graphic GPU. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE it comes with 6GB 8GB RAM and 28GB to 56GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and GPU Adreno 660. iPhone 16 real set single camera setup 48 megapixel, front camera 12 megapixel. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE real set triple camera setup 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 12 megapixel, front camera 32 megapixel. iPhone 16 3300 mAh battery, 30 watt fast charging support. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 4050 mAh battery, 500 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charging support.